Hello friends and welcome to another video. Tonight I'm going to be rating everything I eat at this Malaysian night market. It's about to be a durian fest, people. It's about to be one long durian fest. I'm so excited. I've heard so many things about durian fruit, both good and bad, and I'm ready to experience it all. But first, let's explore the market and see what other culinary adventures await. There are so many amazing smells coming from all these stalls. I can't wait to dive in. Okay, first up we have stinky tofu. It's black, like really black. I've seen this all over the internet and I know people have strong feelings about it. It definitely lives up to its name. This smell is potent. I'm going in. All right, wow. That's an experience. It's kind of creamy on the inside and the sauce is surprisingly tangy. I don't know if I could eat a whole lot of this, but I'm glad I tried it. On to the next. A look at this spread of dim sum. These little dumplings are just too cute. I almost don't want to eat them. Almost. We've got steamed buns shaped like little pigs, these translucent shrimp dumplings that look like tiny works of art, and some kind of vegetable bun that's dyed a vibrant green. The pig buns are filled with a sweet, savory pork filling. It's like a little explosion of flavor in your mouth. The shrimp dumplings are delicate and flavorful, and the green vegetable ones are surprisingly delicious. I could eat my weight in dim sum, no problem. Okay, this is it. The giant fried squid on a stick I've been seeing all night. They actually had to use 2 sticks to hold it up. It's that big. I'm a little intimidated, not gonna lie. It's covered in this amazing smelling spice rub though, so I'm hoping for the best. Wow, this is surprisingly tender. I was expecting it to be really chewy, but it's actually quite easy to eat. The seasoning is incredible. A little spicy, a little smoky, and so flavorful. This might be my favorite thing I've tried all night. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little hesitant about this one. It's grilled stingray. I've never even seen stingray on a menu before, let alone at a night market. But, you know me, I'm always down to try new things. It smells amazing, kind of like a smoky grilled fish. Wow, just wow, this is incredible. It's flaky and tender, almost buttery. It's got this amazing smoky flavor from the grill, and it's seasoned to perfection. This is a total surprise hit. And now for the moment of truth, the durian. Look at the size of this thing. It's huge and spiky and... Is that the smell of onions and gym socks? Oh my. I'm both terrified and intrigued. Wish me luck, guys. Okay, I'm taking a bite. It's creamy, like surprisingly creamy and sweet, but also kind of savory. There's a weird oniony aftertaste, but also a hint of something almost fruity. This is the weirdest thing I've ever eaten. I don't know if I like it, but I also kind of don't hate it. I need to process this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like that video, make sure to shamash that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to shamash that subscribe button. Here are our short form / social media handles, and here's our merch website. And with that, if you love food adventures and travel eats, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Glow Envy foodie fun. See you in the next one.